Alright, today is Saturday, January 4th, 2025. We're making the drive down here on the south side of the Long Island Railroad's main line here in Ronkonkoma, New York. We're heading towards first we're going to be passing the Pond Road crossing. We're over here on the right is Ocean Interlocking. We're going to be heading over to Ocean Avenue. We're going to be seeing an M3 set working for train 4988, which is the equipment move from Westside Yard to Ronkonkoma Yard. Equipment in question is 9804 on the west end, leading 12 cars, 9915 on the west end. On the app or on the radar, it shows the arrival time at 11:10. This train usually gets to Ronkonkoma about 10:45-ish or so. Train should be here about that time. We're going to be seeing a gate come down. We have one of the arrivals coming through here at Ronkonkoma. Checking this out right now. Even on the weekends, this main line can be very busy. Looks like we have equipment move 5086 coming in. We have an M7 7482 is the leader with 8. Right behind that one, we will have the regular move 7922 with an M9 set 9012 leading 10 cars. Right behind that, we have a Rostabout Move going from Hillside Yard to Pond Interlocking, from what it's calling for. 7764 leading 8. And then we're going to have that M3 set. Right here we see train 5086 from Grand Central going to Ronkonkoma Yard. As we're here at the Ocean Avenue crossing here, we'll be parking the car and then going trackside to see this M3. All right, now it's 10:30. We're going to be seeing train 7931 and 7922. First will be 7931, then 7922, along with the Rostabout set from Hillside going into the Team Freight track west of Ronkonkoma at Pond Interlocking and Ocean. As we're taking a look at the Ocean Avenue crossing from the parking lot of the 7-Eleven. Today's a very cold and breezy day, but it was also a perfect opportunity to do stuff like cashing checks and also getting a lunch from 7-Eleven. And believe it or not, the sandwiches at 7-Eleven is not that terrible at all. Just make sure that you get the 7-Eleven app along with the rewards, because it does pay dividends at the end. You do get bonuses through 7-Eleven at the end if you keep coming through here. So now it's 10:33. We're going to be watching train 7931 pass as the gates are coming down at Ocean Avenue. We have an M7 set. It looks like 7922 and the Rostabout Move will be passing right along with it. Making this for a very interesting meet here at the crossing. And it goes train 7931. And we have a little snow flurry action here We're going to be watching 7922 next, as the gates is still down. And within a minute or two, we should be seeing the arrival of, passing of, the Rostabout Move. And then right behind that will be train 4988 from Hillside Yard to Ronkonkoma. Alright, we're going to be watching this Rostabout Move going by now, here at Ocean Avenue. Time now is 10:38. And the M3 set is right behind this Rostabout Move, as he's just made the curve at Central Islip. See in the background here. And this is by 7764. $71.49 on the rear. And there is train 4988. All right, we're now taking a look west as train 4988 makes its way east. And M7 equipment looks like it's going into Ronkonkoma Yard. From this vantage point. And this M3 set's making its way. Time now is 10:40. Gates have now come down for this equipment. Making its way to Ronkonkoma. We're about to. And quickly as the light changes, 10:41. Here comes train 4988. And this is train 4988, West Side Yard to Ronkonkoma Yard. Alright, we're taking a look at 4988 as he's heading into the wash track here at Ronkonkoma Yard. Just putting on my seatbelt here after getting my camera from the back seat. Anyway, taking a look at this equipment as he's proceeding into the yard here. The 98, 28, 27. Right behind this one as he's